to talk about earnings, of course, but perhaps no better case study in what PagerDuty is for than the AWS outage yesterday. What was the impact that you saw? How perhaps did customers use the tools that you have to address it?
Well, it's great to see you, John. You know, the reality is all modern companies depend on cloud services and cloud providers where the operations of those systems are imperfect. Software as we know it is imperfect and will occasionally have bad days. And AWS has been a terrific partner and is generally extremely reliable. But when they have a bad day, the key thing for customers is to recognize it very quickly, use software to detect it like PagerDuty, and make sure that even more quickly you can diagnose and resolve those issues before they have a dramatic impact on your customers and your business. You know, we're talking a lot about crypto and some of the things going on in the industry. Customer trust is paramount. And so we see this driving increased demand for PagerDuty, the increasing complexity of the technical environments that help our customers deliver the brands and the experiences that their customers are demanding has become increasingly more important. And PagerDuty is really the first platform to converge modern incident response, AI ops, automation, and now customer service to bring this all together and operate as the platform of engagement, the operations cloud for the modern enterprise. Yesterday with AWS, we actually saw activity on the platform spike upwards of 8%. And because of the investments that we make in high reliability and resilience at scale, we did not even flinch. Our platform performed extremely well.
Okay, well, that's good news for folks using PagerDuty. Now, I want to talk about these results. You took up your full year guide, and I'm curious particularly about velocity and how maintainable you see that being. There's a lot more talk about DevOps now, HashiCorp going public this week, and I think more attention to the space, which could be a good thing. But how confident are you in the continued velocity of this growth?
We're very confident. I mean, we believe the DevOps opportunity is massive, and it's very early in that market. We map our customers to a digital maturity curve, and what we see with most of our mid-market and enterprise customers is they're very early in their journeys in transforming to a DevOps culture and accelerating their digital operations, and PagerDuty plays a very strategic role in that. So we believe with a really strong, clean quarter, record revenue at $72 million, up 33% year over year, and the second consecutive plus 30% growing quarter, that we are in a really good position to continue this momentum.
Hey, Jen, it's Deirdre. Good to see you. I know at the start of the pandemic, you were in close communication with a group of other enterprise software, recently public CEOs here in the Bay Area, like Eric Yuan, Stuart Butterfield, Aaron Levy. Are you still in close communication with them coming out of the pandemic and perhaps as sort of business models shift?
Absolutely. And, they're all customers as well. So we work very closely together to share ideas and really figure out not only how we move our companies forward, but how we serve our employees and our communities more effectively. And they've all been great advisors, mentors, and partners to us over time. In fact, Eric's just texted me now. So I think that this kind of collaboration that we're seeing really around solving some of the world's biggest problems, not just building businesses, but keeping our employees safe, ensuring that vaccination rates go up so that we can find our new normal, and even reinventing the way people work. I mean, the reality is most of us are going back to environments that don't look like they did before. And PagerDuty and a number of these companies operate very well together in a seamless way using APIs. And that means this modern tool chain can support employees in improving their productivity and improving the experience they have at the workplace in a very seamless way. And it's been a very supportive collective, honestly, of leaders who really want to see what's best for the world, as well as their shareholders and their customers and their employees.
Well, I know things are busy for you with all the systems running for Q4 and the holiday season. Jen, we got to talk automation and your continued efforts there next time. Good to see you, Jen Tejada.
Great to see you. Thank you so much.